Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply filters on your searches in the Eventbrite app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Eventbrite app and tap on the second item on the bottom on the menu bar. And on the top right corner you can see this icon. If you tap on it, you can apply some filters. For example, when would you like to go out? You can tap on tomorrow or this weekend, or you can just pick a date. Let's tap on the next month. You can apply location, online events, or to your current location. Category, you can apply festival, music, parties, and you can select which in which currency would you like to pay for this event. You can choose language. In which language would you like to have this event? The price. If you would like just free stuff, you can tap here to apply it. And after you applied filters, you tap on this little bar on the bottom, and here you can see your search, and you can choose from here. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.